I work at height with a forked lanyard. One of the connectors is attached to the anchor point, but where can I attach the one I'm not using? Let's do a few tests together. Ouch! That must hurt. The energy absorber couldn't even deploy because the other lanyard was pulling in the opposite direction. In this case, the body took the full impact of the fall. Oh. As in the previous test, the energy absorber failed to deploy properly. The tool connector literally tore apart and released the connector abruptly. He must have felt a strong impact on his sticks. The connector holder does its job well and quickly releases the connector. The energy absorber can therefore deploy fully and minimize the impact of the fall. As you can see, in this kind of setup, the less an energy absorber deploys, the more impact the body takes. An incorrect connection blocked its action. Only proper use allows real energy absorption and real protection, so use your lanyards holders.